Chino Pettis Adventures. I'm still Chino. You know that. Still my adventures. A little different today. Since we have our new finca here, we have to have a macanadora, which is basically a weed eater. So, after searching and searching and searching, most of the weed eaters in Colombia are like 400 bucks. Okay, 1,600,000 pesos, 1,800,000 pesos, 2 million pesos. That's 500 bucks. And I found a Husqvarna on sale, brand new. It's the little one, 321 model, for 1 million pesos, which is 250 bucks. And so we don't, you know, I mean, since we're not trying to weed eat the whole freaking town, I bought a Husky. And Husky is not sponsoring this ad. I just know I've ridden Husky motorcycles all my life. My cousin tried to kill himself on one 2 or 3 times, and you just can't beat them. So I would imagine that their weed eaters are along the same lines. It's real quality stuff. So my weed eater got here today, and I'm gonna unbox it for you and show you what we got. Let's see what we got. Instructions, user's manual, the motor head, well, it's not exactly a little engine. It's not the biggest one I ever saw either, but it's pretty nice. And the nicer part is it's brand new. And then we have spare parts, the weed eater, oil and gas mix, Husqvarna, the string guard. I'm not too sure what this is, but we'll find out. And last but not least, wow, really? Okay then, and here's the blade. So you can do 2 things here, which they never do hardly in the States, but here you can have a string weed eater, or you can have this lawnmower blade. They could take a foot off, I would imagine. So anyway, I'll put all these parts out and then show you exactly what we got. So there you go. You have the handlebars, you have the motor head, you have the oil and gas reservoirs for refilling the motor, you have the engine, and then you have the power shaft. You have a bag full of tools, which is quite handy, the safety guard, the harness, the weed string head, and the blade. Looks like a blade, and of course the all famous instruction manual. So here we are. Husqvarna. It is a Husqvarna, and Husqvarna used to make, or maybe they still do, one of the finest motorcycles on the planet when I was young, which is a long time ago. So this is only like horsepower, 1 horsepower, and I could have got 2.5 in an off-brand, but I don't think I actually need it. I don't think I need 2.5 horsepower because I'm not chopping down jungle, and I believe that the Husqvarna will probably live longer than I do, but we'll see. So when I get it put together, we'll fire it up and see what happens. Well, my assembly of the Husqvarna 321 has come to a screeching halt because my assistants decide they want to have a fight. Oh, well, okay. Well, so there you go. Almost ready for action. Got the handlebars on, got the kill switch and the throttle hooked up. We have our guard for when we're cutting with string. That goes on the bottom of the guard. There's the harness. There's the blade. So we haven't decided whether we're going to use the string or the blade. Probably the blade. That's what they always use here. Our gas and oil bottles, our little toolkit, and there you go. And it was $1,000,000 pesos, which is 250 bucks, which I still think is a great deal. Not the strongest motor on the planet, but it's a Husky, and that, my friends, makes it all worth it. And I don't believe it's made in China. It could be, but anyway. There you go. Have a good day. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Look at all my other videos. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.